Lupang ninuno, depensa, depensa, ipaglaban. Makibaka! Huwag matakot! Makibaka! Huwag matakot! Gaya po ng nasabi, ngayon pong August 9 ay International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples, and 3 days before naman sa August 12, yung tinatawag nilang International Humanitarian Law Day. Pero para sa akin, I would like to say that August 12 is not simply International Humanitarian Law Day, pero it is also the day for the promotion and recognition of international humanitarian law.
Sa laban ng mga katutubo, patuloy kaming mag-aambag sa mahigpit na tungkulin magpagkapit-isip sa nakikibang masa.
We stand in solidarity together. Our closeness restores hope. In working together, in including everyone, we are renewed and will be strengthened to act for justice.
Lakas namin umaalon akong kalungsuran, hudyak na makipagtos sa gobyerno